This is my proofer. About ready to go to bed, and I'm going to go ahead and fold the dough once before going to bed. It's just about 10:30. Let's see how our window pane's looking. Let me turn this a little. See, that's pretty nice window pane there. Okay. Pull it up and stretch it on each side, and then fold it over. And then we'll flip the whole dough over, and that also helps with evening out the temperature of the dough. Dough's feeling pretty nice. It's not real bubbly feeling yet. It's got a ways to go. So the temperature's at 72 degrees Fahrenheit. And by the morning, it'll be nice and bubbly and ready to shape. So we'll leave this overnight and we'll check on it in the morning.